Hey, what's up guys? So today we are going to do a 3-part series. We got this Pioneer sound system. I'm going to show you guys in this part 1 on how to install new speakers into your vehicle. It does differ between vehicles on removing the door panel, but for the most part it's all pretty much the same. And then part 2, I'll show you guys how to install a new radio into your vehicle. And part 3 will be how to install subwoofers. Alright guys, for this job you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver for door panel pieces. You're going to need a ratchet just to disconnect the battery, and then your car speaker. First thing I'm going to do is disconnect the battery, pop the hood. Alright guys, now that we got the hood popped, we are going to disconnect the negative battery terminal. This thing is, you get new terminals. It's all crazy. Yeah, I might fix that before I put it back on, but alright. After the negative terminal is disconnected, I'm going to get in here and start taking off the door panel. One screw here. There's one more screw down here. Unplug your window. Alright, after that's off, I'm going to pull this piece of trim right here. In different cars, you'll have trim in different spots. So, you just gotta look for it. Sometimes if you don't pry too hard, you'll find the location before you get it. Pull. This off. Check it out, guys. That's the 1998 Honda speaker right here. It's old. It's held on by 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips head screws. Pull it out, this is how it looks. It's a clip. Alright, so obviously this connector will not fit into a new speaker. So we're going to cut the wires, and then we're going to use the wires that it came with, and then we will connect it. I'm just stripping the ends of the cable. Be very careful if you don't have wire crimpers like me. I'm using a razor. There we go. Alright, now we're going to cut this off right here. Now we're going to shave this down. When using a razor, always cut away from yourself. Never cut towards yourself. Alright, wire's exposed. Well, one of these wires has a black stripe. We're going to wrap it with the other black stripe wire. This. Then the blue will go with the solid. Like so. Now we'll get some electrical tape and we'll just tape around it. Right, now our new speaker. If you see these prongs in the back, so we're going to put one on one prong and one on the other. So one of these is a fat side and one skinny. So fat goes with fat. Put the little rubber cap back on it. Skinny to the skinny side. Now we got to see what adjustments we have to make in order to make it fit. Okay. So we can pull this old bracket off and then get it to fit. So now we're going to take the speaker. Slide it in here. If you look back here, you can see where we got to slide the wires on. Alright, let's shove that in. Now let's see if we could line these holes. back our bracket mounts. Nice. Now we got this other piece here. I'm going to leave it off because it might be too bulky for the door panel. So that's how I'm going to leave it. Now before we put the door panel back on, we should test it, see if it works. So I'm going to reconnect the battery. Let's turn on some music.
There was a Michelle Pfeiffer movie that was made, and what's the actor?
Sounds pretty good. All right, let's reassemble and put the panel back on. So at this point, unless you're doing the other speaker, you could leave the battery plugged in. If you're going to do the other speaker, then unplug the battery again and start disassembling the other side. Alright guys, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, or if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Make sure you like, subscribe, check out the merch store, alright? And yeah, thanks for watching. God bless. Peace.